Hi, I'm Mark and I'm at Pete's Airgun farm, and I'm here to show you an interesting little device that's hit the airgun market recently, which is a pellet gauge. It's actually called Pellet Gage, spelled G-A-G-E, and it's down at www.pelletgage, all as one word, with gage.com, and they come from America. And what it is a very precisely made little device to, as it says, gauge your pellets. And what you're actually doing, or it enables you to do, is to sort the pellets by head size. And obviously we buy, I do competition shooting, HFT, etc., and we're buying pellets that are badged up with head sizes. But if you want to double check, because obviously they're, as a lot of the pellet manufacturers say, they're on a big production line. They can't always be as precise as they should be, and not all the pellets are the same that are in some of these tins, and obviously a lot of other pellets of different brands don't even give us the head sizes. But it's all about consistency with any ammunition, and sort of most aspects of shooting really, and ammunition in particular. So if we can get that head size consistent, we can improve groups. So how this works, very simple, but obviously these are around £45. They're sort of advertising American dollars at the minute, but at the moment it's equating to about 45 quid. This one was bought from Into Shoot, but I believe there's probably some other dealers that are doing it in the UK. But basically you've got a precision finely machined metal plate, and then that's sandwiched between plastic compounds. It's all very precisely done, and then what they do is they've actually marked the head sizes sort of in ascending order through, and you've got we've got 10 main holes there. And what you'll do is you'll take a pellet and you'll drop it through. As I say, you want some neat container underneath. If they drop all the way through, you want to catch them. And also, again, if you're going to do this, you want a series of tubs or tins so you can grade and batch your pellets into a particular precise head sizes. So what you do is you'd try one of the measured sizes. So I'm looking at 4.54 there, so that would obviously be normally outside of our parameters. Drop it in. That's dropping through. It's sitting now on the tail, so obviously the head size has dropped through. So what I'd do is then you'd carry on working down to the next head size, and you can ascertain the actual size of the head of that pellet, and you'd end up with, once you've worked through several pellets, you can batch them. Now this is all rather fiddly, and you might be watching that, you've probably already turned off by now, but supposing you haven't, it's something you could use if you want to go to the trouble of sizing the pellets. It's like weighing pellets. It's a precise procedure. It's time consuming. It can get boring, but it can be the difference between winning and losing. And this pellet gauge is just an interesting tool, an additional tool that we've now got if you want to spend the time doing it. So that's the pellet gauge that's coming from Pellet Gage in America.